Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how you can install Instagram to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. So for this process, you have to unlock your phone. After unlocking your phone, you have to go to App Store. Here we go, App Store. Click this one. One most important thing for downloading anything from App Store, you have to have an Apple account. If you don't know how to make an Apple account, check the video description, follow the link and make one brand new Apple ID. So now here, after that, you have to come here, touch the bottom searching option. You have to type again one more time, Instagram. At the top appears the first option, Google Gemini, not that one. This is Instagram. Here we go. Hit get button. Double tap the power button, Face ID requirement. It's loading. We have to wait till it's done. So the installation is done. We have open button. But I'm going to slide this up. So I'm going to see what is the application here displays, or you can see also in apps library. Hit this one to open. You have to use your password. Your account is already detect different account of mine. After putting my password, I continue to my account. Allow, not now. Here we go. So we are inside the Instagram. Lovely. So here you have different buttons. Click here, you can see your profile and all the video that I have. You can see here the Instagram video. So you have to have account. Here you have a plus button. You click this one. You can make a reel here. You can see hit reel. So you can allow access to all the content. Continue. If you have any videos, anything you want to put them as a reel, you can do this. Here also photo if you want. A photo, you see beautiful sky photo. I hit next button. You see the photo, hit next button. Okay. Share. Also share in Facebook. If you want, you can share with the Facebook. In this case, I don't want to share the same thing at my Facebook. Here the my post you can see. So you click this button. Okay, post, you see at the bottom, it can appear different way. Now post, story, reel, hit reel here. Choose a video. Here I choose this video. Tap this one at the corner, you have to tap. Hit next button. Hit next one more time. Next button. You see share. Hit this one, share. It's done. You see it's loading here. It's done. I go to my all the option. You see a photo, I have reel. I click this one to see. Done. Lovely. So this is the way you can download Instagram in your phone. Not only that, you also can post a reel. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.